Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create some animated GIF image files and then also how to edit some existing ones, or you could edit the one that you just made. So I have some still images here from a car show that we're going to use, and I also have a animated GIF that's already done and a movie file that we're going to make an animated GIF out of. So to do that, we're going to go to a site called easygiftcom, and so let's start first by creating an animated GIF by some files. So let's choose the files. So let's start by just using all the car pictures, and then we'll click on upload. This will take a minute. So now after they're uploaded, you could go here and you could make a copy to duplicate one or skip certain ones or change the delay for individual pictures. Or if you go down here, you could change the delay for everything. So let's bump that up a little bit. And then if you want to add like a crossfade effect, we'll do that. And you could change the settings for that. So let's start by just making a GIF out of these images with these basic settings. And then this will take a few minutes as well. And if you have really large files, then it's going to take even longer. Okay, so now our animated GIF is ready, and you can see it has all the car pictures, and there's a little fade in between each one. So if we like the way it looks, then we could go down here and click on Save. And we'll call this Cars, and then Save. Okay, so then we go back down here. Here's our Cars GIF file here. So if we open it up, you can see it works out pretty good, and we have our fade in between, so it's a nice effect there. Okay, so now if you want to edit this one, you have some other options here, but rather than edit this one, because it's so big it'll take a long time to apply a lot of these edits to it, I'm going to load another one, an existing one. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and open one. So you could do that. You could just click on the resizer and it'll take you to, the main menu, and then you could get the other options from there. So let's open this Walker one here. Upload. Okay, so here's our Walker image. So we have options to, let's say we want to, crop out so it's just the guy himself without the other background here. We could do that. And you could actually put in specifics if you want. And if you click on crop image, you'll see here's our preview down here, and then you could save it like that. Pretty easy. Or if you want to reverse it, so he's walking backwards. Then you have other stuff. You could rotate it, resize it, optimize it, add some effects. So for example, we want to, I don't know if these are going to apply too well with this type of image, so let's try this. Let's try the Polaroid effect. Okay, so you can see it makes kind of like an old-fashioned Polaroid picture with a border around it. What else do we have? You could speed it up. You could add some text if you wanted to. Okay, so it applied it to all the frames there, so that's good. And then if you want to censor a part of it, this is kind of neat. You could just draw a box over the, say you wanted to censor out the face here. So you can see it puts a little blur effect over the face. And then overlay, you could actually add another image on top of that one if you wanted to do that. Cut, split. This will split it all into separate frames there. Then you could download all the frames individually if you wanted to. And then here, if you click on this, you could see the actual frames. And if you want to bump up the delay time of a specific frame or skip a frame or make a copy of it, kind of like we did in the beginning, that kind of thing. And then once again, you could save it once you're done editing it, and you're good to go. All right, so the last thing I want to show you is how you can convert a video to a GIF file. So we click on Video to GIF, choose our file. We have this dunk tank video, and we're going to upload it. Okay, so you could change when it starts if you want to crop out some of the beginning or the end, the size and the frame rate and so on. We're going to leave everything as is. Convert to GIF. Okay, so there's our sample right there. And there it is. Click on Save. Let's call this Dunk Tank. Okay, so now we go here. We have our Dunk Tank. So here's the original movie right here. We'll play. And if we play the animated GIF, it looks pretty good. So now it's just as an image file instead of a video file, so you could stick this on a website or that kind of thing. Just keep in mind that some of these get quite large. So this, even though this is pretty small for a video, it's 5 megabytes, and the GIF is about 20 megabytes. So just keep in mind that your GIF file might be bigger than your video depending on how the quality of your video file to begin with. So anyway, like I said, go to easygiftcom, and then you could either make a new one from scratch, and then if you click on GIF Resizer to edit, then you'll get the other options up here, or you could just click them on the top here. And if you want to convert a video to a GIF, that's all you got to do. Just click there, upload the video, change any settings you want, and then you should be good to go. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.